cold season. I got 3 children, and all 3 children are getting sick this winter. And yes, I know we do have a chicken soup, but let me show you how to make Korean style back rib soup. Super healthy, super beneficial. If you're a little bit bored with the chicken soup, that's how you go. First, we're gonna clean your rib really nice and go through with running water. And in the back here, you can see I started filming a little later, so I missed a chance. But in the back, if you want to get rid of this unwanted silver skin in the back, you kind of put your hands in it, in between the meat and the skin itself, and it pulls out the skin in the back like this. And removing that silver skin is going to really reduce the cooking time and ensure the tenderness of your rib. So remove that, and maybe you can trim some fat here. Not much, don't cut the meat. And there is a spot. You just run your knife, and that goes right into my pot. And we will be washing it before we start boiling it. So just to cover the meat, and we're gonna start the heat. I'm gonna add a splash of some mirin. Then cover the lid to come to a boil, and let's see from there. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare some garlic and ginger and some onions. And I believe in fresh garlic and lots of it, just like my grandmother did. And I used 2 big cloves of garlics. I was able to put my sickly baby. Meanwhile, I cleaned my pot again, dumped out entire meat and washed in the cold water so it's speckling clean. And with big pot of water, I'm gonna just add it right back. And all the garlics and some ginger right in. Couple of bay leaves. And this is onion from my garden that I grew this year. I'm just gonna add the skins and all, the whole thing. But you're gonna have to wash them. Close the lid. Once again, we're gonna bring it to boil and lower the heat to the medium, and we're gonna boil it for an hour and a half. And if you want nice, clean, and delicious broth, you have to remove all the stuff that comes up to your pot. And as a Korean girl, I need some rice. But today, instead of just having white rice, I decided to put multigrain. And I added some bok choy. You can season it with some fish sauce, generous amount of salt and pepper, and boil it until all your vegetables are tender. And it will be delicious, trust me. And if you're looking for more delicious home cooking idea, I'm the girl. Follow me for more. Luna Maid.